How to become a medical virtual assistant with no experience. Becoming a medical virtual assistant without prior experience is absolutely possible. Here's how you can get started. 1. Learn the basics of healthcare administration. Familiarize yourself with medical terminology, patient scheduling, and electronic health records, EHR. Take free or affordable online courses on healthcare administration and virtual assistants. 2. Get certified, optional but beneficial. Consider certifications like Certified Medical Administrative Assistant, CMAA, to boost credibility. Some employers prefer candidates with HIPAA compliance training to ensure patient data security. 3. Develop essential skills. Strong communication and organizational skills are key. Learn how to use medical software, telehealth platforms, and scheduling tools. 4. Build a standout resume. Highlight transferable skills like customer service, data entry, and administrative support. Showcase any relevant coursework or volunteer experience in healthcare settings. 5. Apply for entry-level or freelance positions. Look for remote healthcare assistant roles on platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and healthcare job boards. Some companies offer on-the-job training, making it easier for beginners to get started. 6. Network and gain experience. Connect with professionals in the healthcare industry through LinkedIn or virtual assistant communities. Offer pro bono work or internships to gain hands-on experience. 7. Stay updated and keep learning. Follow healthcare trends and telemedicine advancements. Continue improving your skills through webinars and online courses. 8. Enroll in online training programs. Consider platforms like VA Bootcamp training services that offer comprehensive courses, live coaching, and internship opportunities with real US-based clients. Look for free or affordable training on medical terminology, HIPAA compliance, and healthcare administration. 12. Apply for entry-level roles and freelance work. Websites like DocVA and Improve Workspace provide insights on how to start as a medical virtual assistant from home. Consider freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to gain experience and build credibility. 13. Explore specialized medical VA roles. Some medical VAs focus on billing and coding, while others specialize in patient scheduling or insurance verification. Research different niches to find what aligns with your strengths and interests. 14. Learn about HIPAA and data privacy. Understanding HIPAA compliance is crucial for handling patient information securely. Take free online courses or read official guidelines to ensure you follow best practices. 15. Improve your customer service skills. Medical VAs often interact with patients, so empathy and professionalism are key. Practice active listening and clear communication to provide excellent support. 16. Join healthcare VA communities. Platforms like Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and Reddit have communities where medical VAs share job leads and advice. Engaging in discussions can help you learn from experienced professionals. 17. Apply for remote healthcare jobs. Websites like DocVA and Improve Workspace provide insights on how to start as a medical virtual assistant for home. Consider freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to gain experience and build credibility. Top hiring platforms for medical virtual assistants. Pro Talent offers specialized healthcare virtual assistant roles. VA.care focuses on productivity and time management for medical VAs. MedVA, best for HIPAA-certified medical VAs with medical-related education. JobStreet lists medical virtual assistant jobs in the Philippines. Indeed features remote medical VA jobs with various healthcare providers. Jubal provides urgent hiring opportunities for medical virtual assistants. Operations Army lists the top 10 sites to hire virtual assistants for healthcare providers. Job platforms for entry-level medical virtual assistants. Indeed lists remote medical VA jobs, including entry-level positions. JobStreet features medical virtual assistant jobs in the Philippines, some requiring no experience. Jora offers listings for medical VA roles, including beginner-friendly positions. Care VMA Health provides opportunities for virtual medical assistants with training included. GenDesk hires medical virtual assistants with HIPAA compliance training but no prior experience required. ClearDesk LLC offers for not medical VA roles with training on physician communication. Hope these tips will help you land your first client as a medical virtual assistant. Keep learning and see you in the freelancing world.
And that ends our video. Hope this was interesting, and we're glad to have you with us. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.